Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about the differences between an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot, Chat GPT, and human content writers. Now, you may have heard of Chat GPT, or similar natural language generation technologies, which are designed to automatically generate written content based on a given prompt. How fast Chat GPT is compared to human content writers? Will content writers lose their jobs? Or will they make the most of Chat GPT and make their jobs easier? Well, first of all, it's important to recognize that Chat GPT and other similar technologies are still in their early stages of development. While they have made significant progress in recent years, they still have limitations in terms of their ability to understand and generate human-like text. As a result, it is unlikely that ChatGPT or other artificial intelligence-powered chatbots will completely replace human content writers in the near future. However, that doesn't mean that ChatGPT cannot be a useful tool for content writers. For example, ChatGPT or similar chatbots could be used to generate repetitive or structured content, such as product descriptions, FAQs, or other types of content that follow a predictable format. This could save time and effort for content writers, allowing them to focus on more creative and complex tasks. But when it comes to tasks that require more creativity and nuance, it is clear that human content writers are still superior. After all, human content writers have the ability to understand and express complex ideas, emotions, and opinions in a way that is not yet possible for ChatGPT or similar technologies. So, while ChatGPT can certainly be a helpful tool for content writers, it's important to remember that they are not a replacement for human creativity and expertise, yet. I hope this video will make you think more about how to use ChatGPT efficiently. Thanks for watching. You will find more videos on ChatGPT and similar chatbots in this series. For more informative videos, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel.